In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office from the new Microsoft Teams and sync it with your Outlook automatic reply, using an easy and quick method that keeps everything consistent. Let's start inside the new Teams experience. Make sure you're signed into the correct work account. Then look to the top right corner of the Teams window. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Click on that to open your profile menu. This is where you manage your status, settings, and, in our case, you're out of office. In the menu that appears, look for the option related to setting your status or managing your out of office. In the new Teams layout, you'll usually see something like Set Status Message or a direct Schedule Out of Office option. Go ahead and click that. If you only see a status message option, don't worry. There will be a link within that window that takes you to the out of office settings. A panel will open, typically on the right-hand side of Teams. This is your out-of-office control center. Here, you'll find a checkbox or toggle that lets you turn on automatic replies. When you enable this, Teams will link with Outlook, so you only have to set things up once, and both apps will use the same information. Now, type in the message you want people to see when they contact you. This is what your colleagues will get if they message you in Teams or send you an email in Outlook. Keep it clear and specific. Mention the dates you'll be away, whether you'll have limited access to messages, and who they can contact in your absence. If your organization allows it, you may also have a separate field for people outside your company. You can paste a simpler, more generic version of your message there. Next, set the start and end time for your out of office. Turn on the option to send replies only during this time period. Then choose the exact date and time you want it to begin and end. This helps you avoid forgetting to switch it off when you're back. Before you save, quickly read through your message to check spelling, dates, and backup contact details. Once everything looks good, hit Save or Done. Teams will now sync this with Outlook, so your automatic replies are aligned everywhere without any extra steps. That's it. You've successfully set your out of office from the new Teams and ensured it stays in sync with Outlook.